Canadian National Railway, NYSE, CNI, stock falls 1.94%, as on January 26, 11 hours 34 minutes and 27 seconds AM UTC-4. Source: Google Finance, after the company posted better than expected results for the fourth quarter of FY21. The company has delivered a record Q4 adjusted operating ratio of 57.9%, which was 350 basis points lower than last year. Q4 adjusted net income was slightly over $1.2 billion in the fourth quarter. Adjusted operating income was of $1,579 million, an increase of 12%. The company posted record free cash flow for the year ended December 31, 2021 of $3,296 million compared to $3,227 million for the same period in 2020. The return on invested capital, ROIC, of 16.4%, an increase of 3.7 points, and adjusted ROIC of 14.1%, an increase of 0.7 points. CNI in the fourth quarter of FY21 has reported the adjusted earnings per share of $1.71, beating the analysts' estimates for the adjusted earnings per share of $1.52. The company had reported the adjusted revenue growth of 3% to $3.75 billion in the fourth quarter of FY21, beating the analysts' estimates for revenue of $3.69 billion. Fuel efficiency improved by 1% to a fourth quarter record of 0.876 U.S. gallons of locomotive fuel consumed per 1,000 gross ton miles, GTMs. CN expects to deliver approximately 20% adjusted diluted EPS growth, versus 2021 adjusted diluted EPS of $5.94. CN assumes total revenue ton miles, RTMs, in 2022 will increase in the low single-digit range versus 2021. In 2022, CN plans to invest approximately 17% of revenues in its capital program. CN continues to target an operating ratio of approximately 57% for 2022 as well as approximately 15% of ROIC. CN is also targeting free cash flow of approximately $4 billion in 2022 compared to $3.3 billion in 2021. Meanwhile, the company has named industry veteran Tracy Robinson as the new chief executive officer, soothing a months-long tussle with its second-largest shareholder over leadership at the railroad operator. Robinson will replace Jean-Jacques Rouest, who announced his decision to step down from the role in October following investor demands for his exit after our Canadian National's failed bid for Kansas City Southern. Canadian National will also appoint 2 new independent directors as a part of the settlement with TCI Fund Management, which has agreed to withdraw a requisition for a special meeting of shareholders that was previously slated for March 22. In addition, the company is in negotiations regarding the divestiture of the Great Lakes vessel, and strategic discussion around option for TransX is ongoing.